Welcome to your AI college. Today we will discuss about subagent and we will also do the hands-on with it. Now before we begin, we have to be very clear about what is an AI agent. If you're not familiar with it or not seen my video on what is an AI agent, then I would request you please give a pause, watch that video first and then come back here. I'll give its link in the description. Now let's meet this guy. He has LLM to think, hammer to perform action, and memory to keep information such as a task progress and chat history. Now let's give him a task. So let's say we have given him this task. Hey buddy, here is a 5-inch long nail, drive it into the wall, but leave exactly 1 inch outside so that I can hang something on it. So the moment AI agent got this task, he started working on it. Now while he is doing his job, he got thirsty and wanted to drink a water. But then he thinks that if I go for a water, I'll lose my focus on my actual work and I have to figure it out where is a tap, where is a glass, where is a kitchen. And while I was doing all this, I'll waste my time. Plus, I have to keep all this information in my memory, which will not be useful for my actual work. Now, to save memory and a time of this AI agent, let's give him a sub agent. A sub-agent will have its own LLM, have its own tool, and have its own memory. The sub-agent will come to life whenever AI agent requests and goes away once the task is completed. Now let's create the sub-agent in LangChain. Let's create a sub-agent. Now to create a sub-agent, first we need to have an AI agent. And I hope you are familiar with this code which we have wrote while we were learning about an AI agent. I'll just quickly walk you through to refresh your memory. But after walkthrough, if the things are still not clear, I would request you to give a pause here, go and watch my video, what is an AI agent, and then come back here. So here we have created our AI agent. We have given him an LLM to think and tool to perform an action. And tool was the hammer, which is taking the size of a nail, which is outside of the wall right now. And when the AI agent uses the hammer tool, we are reducing its size, meaning like 1 inch of the nail it's pushing inside the wall. So it's just giving this impression. So this is the tool which we have created and given to the our AI agent. And this was the task which we have given. You are driving a nail into a wall. Initially 5 inches of the nail are outside. Your goal is to leave exactly 1 inch outside. So this was the task that we are giving to him. Now let's just quickly run the AI agent with this task. Okay, see, we have given a 5 and it reduced, our tool reduced it to by 1. It means like 1 inch of nail it's inside the wall. Okay, now it's 3. So now it is 2. So this loop like 4, 3, 2, 1, it will go till it reaches to the 1 inch outside, right? And let this complete it. Then we will build the sub agent on top of it, where our AI agent will do its job. And while doing his job, he will feel the thirsty and ask for a water to sub agent. And then sub agent will come in and bring the water, fill the water and give it to the AI agent. Now let's build sub agent on top of it. So first let's just create a kind of a function def sub agent get water, right? It will accept the task from a main agent. So we'll say task string and it returns the string only. Let's create a sub agent here. So we'll just write or maybe we'll just do just copy this and we'll just put it here and we'll call it like a sub agent. Sub agent will give him an LLM and will give him its own tools, right? So hammer will not be the tool for this get water sub agent. Okay. What we're going to do, we'll define a different set of tools for him, right? First tool is right. Where is the tap? Where is the tap? Okay. And it won't accept anything but returns the location, right? And and we'll just say return. Here is the tab. Okay, we'll say take a left and take a second right, and here is your tab and here is your tab. Okay, we will just annotate it with @ tool. Now let assume we have one more tool, right? To for our sub agent. Let's say def where is glass. Okay, and it also returns something. Glass inside glass is inside the drawer, and here is here is your glass. Why are we writing like this, right? Okay, to find a tab, take a left and take a second right, and then here is your tab. It's just to make our example simple, because if you don't give this, again LLM will think, hey, where I have to go, where I have to take left, where I have to take a right, right? So it will do. And if we go for a glass, then glass inside the drawer, again it need to find the where is the drawer and all. So this LLM will going to hallucinate it. So just to avoid this all the hallucination, we are just telling, okay, you call this tool, give you the glass, will give you the tab, right? So that's why we are giving like this. And we will give some description about this function, so that our sub agent knows when to invoke it. So we'll just say to find the tab, call this tool. It will find and gives you. Okay, and now same we will give for this. To find the glass, call this tool. It will find and give you the glass, right? Now we just have to give this tools to this our sub agent. Where is the tab, where is the glass? Okay, now the sub agent. Okay, sub agent will we need to invoke with the message, right? And messages is like what task this the our main agent has given to us. So for that, let's just do one thing. First, let's create a messages. So we'll say sub agent message. Sub agent messages equals to an empty list of messages. Then we'll just do one thing. We'll add our append. We'll do append and we'll just write human message. And in the human message, we'll give the task that we have got. And now this sub agent messages will go to the our messages to the invoke. So like the same way where we are invoking the our actual main agent, the same way we're going to invoke our sub agent also, right? Okay, now we invoke, we got the response. We'll just say sub agent response. Sub agent response. We'll keep into the one variable. We'll just copy paste this here, and we'll instead of print, we'll just say return. So here we'll just say return. Okay, so now let's say our main AI agent invoke this. Okay, it given the task. We place this task as a human message into the sub agent messages. We have given this. We have created a sub agent and invoke the sub agent, and whatever the response, it will give back. Now let's make this sub agent as a specialized sub agent. So here we just created a regular agent only, but we have to give something here to make him specialized for get water task. So for that we have to write a one system message, and that system message will guide the LLM how to solve this special problem. So for that, we'll write system message, or maybe we'll say system prompt. System prompt equals to this. We'll write this our system prompt. Okay. 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 So these are system prompt, and the system prompt we have to get added into the messages. So what we can say is sub agent dot messages dot append. We'll say system message and content equals to system prompt. Okay. Now when we send this the task to our agent, this system message or system this prompt also will go, and it will help LLM to understand how we can solve this specific problem, right? So and the prompt is look like this, like you are a specialized water assistant AI. Your only responsibility is to bring a glass of water to the requesting AI agent. And to complete your task, use the available tools to get the glass, find the tab, return the completed result to the requester. Right? And we are giving some rules also, like do not perform any task unrelated to bringing the water, do not use or mention the hammer, do not ask unnecessary question like this. So now this has become our specialized sub agent. Now let's give this sub agent to a main agent, and for that there are a couple of ways, like through tool, LangGraph or deep agent. For this exercise, we'll go with a simple approach, giving a sub agent to agent like a tool. This is completely valid and is actually a common pattern in LangChain. From the main agent perspective, it doesn't matter whether it's calling a regular function or another AI agent. It simply invokes a capability and waits for a result. We are using this approach because it's simple and easy to understand. Later in this series, we'll look at more advanced concept like a lang graph, deep agent, where sub-agents become the first-class citizen instead of being wrapped as a tool. Let's give this sub-agent as a tool to our main agent. Okay, and this is our main agent. We are giving the the hammer here. We'll give one more tool here like this, and we just need to annotate this with the @ tool annotation. So we'll do this @ tool. Okay, so now we have given this tool. Okay, we also have to give some description here. So this description will help AI agent to understand when to invoke this sub agent, right? So for that, I have already copied the description. Let me just paste it here. The description says, delegate the task of bringing a glass of water to a specialized AI sub agent. The sub agent is responsible for locating a glass, finding a tap, filling the glass with the water, and returning to the requester. So we have coded our sub agent, and there's only one thing which I want to highlight here is, like if you see that here we are creating a sub agent and giving the same LLM which we have given to our main agent. Now this could be different also depending on the use case. So if your use case are like your sub agent can be can run on the less capable LLM, so we'll put the less capable LLM here. And if your use case is like sub agents require a more capable or more advanced LLM, so we can give the different LLM also. So just for simplicity, let's just say sub agent LLM here, sub agent LLM, and we'll define a different LLM for this. So all we have to do is this equals to sub agent LLM equals to chat olama, right? And we can give like this here. And here we have option to change the model. Right now we are just keeping the same only, but we have a choice to change it. Let's add some print statement which will going to help us to know if sub agent is got triggered or not. So we'll just write print and we'll just say sub agent called, sub agent get water called, and we'll also have some print statement here, or maybe I guess that's enough. If it call the sub agent, then we know that sub agent got called, right? So okay, I guess that's it pretty much. Let's just give a run. Let's just fast forward. Okay, the task is over. So we have given is like 5 inches of the nail, and the tool reduces it to the 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Okay, and that's where our goal is achieved, because we told, right, exactly 1 inch has to be outside. So it is stopped, like now there is an exactly 1 inch of the nail left outside of the wall, and you have achieved the goal. But what, our sub agent didn't get call here. Why? It's because we didn't make our AI agent to behave like a human being. Once it's behave like a human being, then only it will ask for a water, right? Then only it will become a thirsty. So first, now let's make this AI agent to behave like a human being AI agent. Okay. So for that, we just have to give one system prompt. Okay. So let's just write system prompt. Okay. System prompt, and we'll just give like this. Okay, let me give like this. Okay. So you are a human like an AI agent whose primary responsibility is to hammer a nail into a wall. After every successful use of hammer tool, you become a thirsty. Do not try to bring water yourself. Instead, delegate the task of bringing water to available bring water sub agent. Okay, we just have to change the name. It's not a bring water. It's like sub agent get water. Okay. So this prompt will help the main AI agent to behave like a human being. So while he's doing his job, he can get thirsty, right? Now we just need to add the system prompt. So for that we have to do like this messages. Okay, append system message. Okay, and give the prompt to it. Okay, we have given the prompt. Okay, now let's just give a run to it. Let's see if sub agent get called or not. Let's just fast forward. So the whole task is complete, and while doing this task, our main AI agent called the sub agent because he become a thirsty. Okay, and that's what the sub agent is. Main AI agent can use sub agent to delegate some task, and this task can be delegated in a synchronous way and synchronous way both. Synchronous and asynchronous we'll learn in the next video. I hope by now you have understood what is a sub agent and able to write the code for it. If you really like our video, please hit a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching your AI College.